we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Yomistar solar battery box for 3 volts LED string lights. Consists of the following features. Technical specifications: battery capacity of 1200 mAh with 3 volts output. Solar plug outlet equipped with standard MC4 connectors, only suitable for the 2-pin connection shown in the photo. Please verify that your string lights require 3 volts voltage and check the connector polarity, plus sign/minus sign, of the solar panel before purchasing. Wide compatibility: solar light panel replacement fully compatible with most solar lights, easier and more affordable than replacing the entire lighting system. Can be used for 100 to 600 LEDs, solar garden lights, solar copper wire lights, solar gypsophila lights, solar pathway lights, solar curtain lights, solar net lights and other lighting controls. IP65 waterproof protection. Lithium battery panel features IP65 waterproof, drop-proof, and dust-proof rating, ensuring protection against water damage and falls. Solar battery box control panel can work normally even on snowy and rainy days. Dual charging modes and easy installation, features both solar charging and Type-C input to ensure that your lights remain operational under all conditions. Solar power bank for outdoor lights can be easily installed by nailing, ground insertion, or simply hanging it up. 8 lighting modes with remote control. Solar battery box for LED string lights offers 8 light effects including blinking, flashing and chasing. The remote control supports an effective reception range of 10 to 15 meters, allowing you to control lights on/off or adjust brightness from inside the house. Extended runtime and fast charging, charges in 6 to 8 hours under direct sunlight and provides 8 to 12 hours of continuous operation at night, powered by 100% solar energy with automatic light sensing that turns off at dawn and on at dusk. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.